Lecture on Policy Analysis. Introduction. Today, we'll explore policy analysis. We'll break down what policies are, the importance of analyzing them, and how this applies to real-life issues in Zambia, such as early marriage. What is a policy? Let's start with the basics. A policy is essentially a set of decisions made by the government to guide its actions. According to Chambers' Dictionary, it addresses problems in society or aims to achieve specific goals. Definitions. Anderson, 2003. Public policy is a purposeful course of action taken by individuals or groups to address a concern. Birkeland, 2011. Public policy includes what the government intends to do or not do, like laws and regulations. Easton, 2005. Policy is a web of decisions that allocate values, emphasizing that policies are ongoing processes without a defined end. Example in Zambia. The Zambian government has a policy aimed at improving education, which includes initiatives to provide free primary education to increase school enrollment. The role of policy analysis in the policy-making process. Policy analysis is the systematic process of creating, assessing, and communicating information related to policies. It helps identify solutions to societal problems using various methods, including cost-benefit analysis, weighing the economic pros and cons of a policy. Implementation analysis, evaluating how well a policy is put into practice. Program budgeting analysis, understanding how resources are allocated to different programs. There are two main aspects of policy analysis. Descriptive, this involves analyzing the current situation. Normative, this evaluates what should be done based on values and ethics. Example, in Zambia, analyzing the issue of early marriages requires understanding the current social norms, descriptive, and considering what changes should be made to reduce these marriages, normative. Understanding policy problems. A policy problem is a situation that causes concern and lacks clear solutions. For instance, early marriage among girls is often linked to poverty and cultural beliefs in Zambia. Key questions. What alternatives exist to address early marriages? What are the potential outcomes of these alternatives? Example, if early marriage is driven by poverty, one solution might be implementing cash transfer programs to support families financially, allowing them to delay their daughters' marriages. The policy analysis process. Expected policy outcomes. What do we hope to achieve with policies aimed at reducing early marriage? For instance, if families receive cash transfers, will this lead to a decrease in early marriages? Preferred policies. Which policies should be selected? The chosen policies must not only aim to reduce early marriages, but also provide value to society. Observed policy outcomes. What actual outcomes have we seen after implementing a policy? For example, did cash transfer programs lead to a measurable reduction in early marriages? Policy performance. How effective is the policy in solving the problem? Policy performance is rarely perfect. Many issues remain unresolved or reformulated. Example, after introducing cash transfers, if we see a decrease in early marriages but also note improvements in girls' education, we can assess the broader impact of the policy. Knowledge transformation in policy analysis. The different types of knowledge involved in policy analysis are interconnected. For example, understanding policy performance relies on knowledge of observed outcomes. Key points. Knowledge can transform from one type to another, showing that analysis is not linear. Each phase of knowledge production informs the next. Example, if we learn that early marriage rates have decreased due to educational initiatives, this informs future policies about the importance of education in addressing social issues. Conclusion. In conclusion, policy analysis is vital for addressing societal issues like early marriage in Zambia. By understanding policies, analyzing their impacts, and continuously transforming knowledge, we can work towards effective solutions that benefit individuals and society.